Stay Mode, available on select Hyundai hybrid models, allow them to use the hybrid battery to operate features such as climate control and the audio system without the need to have the engine running. It's the perfect way to save fuel while staying comfortable in your Hyundai. To use it, select Hybrid on the touchscreen, then the Settings icon. Enabling Stay Mode will let the feature operate when you place the vehicle in park. The vehicle can also prioritize charging the hybrid battery in preparation for Stay Mode use. To use this feature, turn on the Activate Stay Mode upon arrival at a set destination. Then use the navigation system for routing to the destination. Upon arrival, you'll be able to start Stay Mode. Note that battery optimization for Stay Mode is dependent on numerous factors. In addition, using Stay Mode may affect fuel economy. For more information on the features of your Hyundai, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at My Hyundai, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to visit HyundaiHowTos.com, My Hyundai, and the Hyundai USA YouTube channel for more helpful videos for your Hyundai.